Cup Garden. Today is July 26th, and here is a quick update on our hosta journey. I now have 4 hostas showing new growth after repotting them outside. The growth is still small, but it's moving along. And I would appreciate some comments if what I should do with these over the winter. Should I plant them in the ground and let them winter outside, or are they still too young? They should probably indoor for another season and then put them out next year. Also, last year we only had a few seed pods growing on number 5, which is that one, and on number 3, which is that one. However, this season, all 5 hostas have had quite a productive season, and it looks like I am going to have a good number of pods coming off these plants. Thank you for watching this Paper Cup Gardens quick update on our hosta journey. As always, if you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment.